airdrops to claim, grass airdrop updates, so make sure to stick until the end and listen closely. It's gonna be a short video. With that, we jump straight to the update. The first thing is the Superform XYZ drop final vesting is now live, so I will leave the link down below. Make sure to go check it out and claim it. Of course, there were a TGE unlock, month 1, month 2, and month 3 unlock right now. The price is about 10 cent a token, so if you have the possibility to, make sure to come over here, log in with your wallet, and you will be good to go and claim it, check it, and all of them good. So I won't bother you with all of this, but come here, the link will be down below. Next up, we also have here what we have, the so value airdrop season 2 snapshot will be in 18 days. I don't know if you participate in it, but this is a very Twitter page influencer like profitable business, so a lot of users will not make money. The only people that do it, and I'm not affiliated with them because I didn't like it at first, but here, for example, this page here or any other page that posts about it is because they make money from it, just FYI. But nonetheless, in 18 days, if you did participate in the season 1 and the season 2 and all of them goodies, then you could be in for some bucks. Another thing that I do want to talk about, which they are partner of the channel, is Breakout. Now, as we see here, I am trading with a $100,000 account over on Breakout, and I do have a Bitcoin short position right here. 79,800 is my price, and I have a 6.2 Bitcoin. Now, Breakout basically allows you to trade with a $100,000 account, a $50,000 account, $25,000 account. For only, let's say, $100, you get $10,000. So you basically trade with not your money, $10,000 for only $100. So make sure to go and check it out. Use my link and my code down below. You will get yourself as well a discount and as well as supporting me, as they are partnered with your channel. So thank you very much. But this is a great way in this uncertainty moment of the markets where you can go and trade with a prop firm money, because this is a prop firm actually bought by Kraken itself. So it's the only prop firm supported by an L1. And here you can literally go from a, you go and buy for $100, you basically get $10,000. You actually get $10,000 in your account. Then you're able to go and trade with it. And in this uncertainty of the market, I think it's really good to go and trade with a lot of money without being your money, because you can make quite a lot of money. For now, I opened the position here. As we see, I do believe that we're gonna go even lower. We're gonna go back to, the 70K. So I have my position open. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Talking about airdrops, again, as we see here, this is the but I wanna talk about the grass airdrop right here. Now, I was logged out until today and I didn't check it for 2 days. So make sure to go and check out whether or not you are logged in, because when I was logged out, I didn't make any tokens, anything. So make sure to go and check it out. I will leave the link down below. You can still join in grass season 2, absolutely yes. But if you have already, whether with me or somebody else, make sure to go and check out, and just make sure to sign up once again. Over here as well, important, keep an eye out for the points that you will get. We got 4 to 5 to 4 million, about 3, 4, 6, 3. So let me know how many points you got as well from the Epoch 10 onwards, as well as the diamonds, which are very important for Giro. But currently we are on season 19 that will last until June 7. So potentially this could be the last epoch, at least I think so. And let me know in your comments down below. Next up, we have here the Plume X Next PNP airdrop claim is now live. I will leave it a link down below. You can make sure to go and check it out, which could be about, I would say, about a couple of dollars if you are even eligible for it. As we see here from this person that I do follow, he did already receive basically nothing. So yeah, it's not gonna be much, but nonetheless, make sure to go and check it out. The link will be linked down below. Next up, we also have the T protocol. TG official confirm is launching on Airdrop. T is official launch partner, which the voting starts on May 28th, so in a couple of days to go and vote, and then the TG will be on June 4th. So link will be down below. Go and check it out, go and claim it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you did enjoy it. I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.